like right now we got a little bit of debris and crap hole under there, but these are magnets, and so when there's no shot here, which there will be, but when there's none here, the only thing holding the shot in is this. It's not really the job of this. This is to restrict the airflow that comes in. So the idea is to prime it around the magnets to get shot, and then that creates an inside shroud to keep the shot from flying out. See how it's got this whole, there isn't one in the back, but see how it's got this whole like skirt of shot?
Yeah.
That's holding the shot in when it goes, when it's shooting it at the floor, that'll keep it from flying out. And whatever extra is on there as we do it, it's just gonna drop it until it's, you know, the right amount. You wanna pick this up, Ryan? Just wearing the extra off. Now let's see.